How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today we are bass fishing. It has been a while since I've done that. I just had the itch to come out here and throw some worms, throw some creature-based jigs. I don't know, I'm just out here to just have a good time and take a swing at this lake. Sun is just up. It's around like 9 o'clock, so I'm a little late, but it's okay. We're gonna work the deeper structures. Maybe go into the shaded areas. I don't know. We're gonna try to figure this thing out. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and let's do some bass fishing. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out in the water, so. Alright, let's try this guy out real quick. I'll throw some big worm anyways. Still got that Texas in me, you know? Oh yeah. Nice bass, guys. Look at that. Holy cow. Choked it. Not too bad. Put him in a live well for pictures later. But look at that, guys. Off of that googan bait. Nice bass right there. Alright, let's put him in the live well. Oh no, it popped off. Nice. Jeez. That was cool. I saw a shadow move and I pitched it in there and you picked it up. Booyah! Alright, so here's a quick tip for you guys. I like to use 17-pound Seaguar, floral, braid, right? This is kind of like my all-around purpose rod, so I'm tying the leader on here because the water's so clear. I use the Alberto knot. Just go through here. I wrap it around 7 times or so. 6, 7, I think, and then you go back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just do 5. All right. Just cinch it together. Make sure it's nice and aligned. Go nice and slow. Okay. Boom. One of the strongest knot I've used. It's never failed on me. But we'll find out today, right? Alright, here we go. Cut that off. You cut it super close. It's not gonna break on you. We're gonna do at least a 6-7 foot leader here. The water's so clear. This lure I'm gonna put on a bully weight and like a flipping lure, you know, kind of like a bandito bug or something. No bobber stopper, just straight up. Go ahead and tie the snell knot, that way cinch better. And when I set the hook, it'll bend towards the fish's mouth, you know. There's so much weeds there too. I think I'm just gonna go straight like straight Sinkos or something. I don't know. I'm gonna play around for a little bit and see what happens. Alright, cool. There you go. There you have it. That way when you set the hook, it goes upward just like that. Okay. Boom. That's a big one. It's a nice fish. I got him. No, stay down, stay down, stay down. It's a nice fish. And a drop shot, baby. No, don't dig me. And he digs me. He digs me. Dude, these fish are smart. Still there, still there. It's not ready, it's not ready. Stay up, stay up, stay up. That's a good fish. Stay up, stay up. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's such a good fish. Oh gosh. Dude, look at that thing. That's a nice fish. Woo! Choke that drop shot, guys. On that biosaw drop shot. Let's go, dude. Look at that fish. Put it in live pictures later. Off this bait right here. Bio spawn, baby. Oh yeah. Woo! That was scary. That was a scary fight. Because, man, these fish are smart. Like, stupid smart. They know exactly where I'm at. Oh, I think one's coming. It's a small one though. I see him cruising right at me. Got him. That's another good fish. That's another good fish. Oh gosh. That's another good fish. Oh my gosh. Please don't break off. Please don't break off. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. That's another good fish. No, stay. Yes. That's another good fish, guys. Oh my god, what the heck's going on? Look at that, guys. Dude. Another fish. On another drop shot right there. Nice little 15-16 incher. Put him in a well. Pictures for later. Alright guys, now that I have your attention, here's the big news, okay? I quit my full-time job to do YouTube. Yeah. How do I do it? I don't know. All I know is I have some awesome supportive people in my life. I have some companies that support me. And it's just time, you know? It's just time for me to just come out here to just say, hey, and just go all out and just put out some awesome content for you guys. Because, you know, I got sick of doing the whole weekend thingy, 1 day, 2 day deal. I just wanted to do it full time, provide you guys the information you guys need. I feel like I have so much to provide. I have so much to give to you guys that I want to teach you guys. I want to share with you guys. You know, it's just a lot in my mind right now, you know. So that's the first news. The other ones will be in the other videos. It's just that I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing this full time now, and expect a lot of awesome content coming your way, because I'm gonna work really hard to entertain you guys, to reach out to you guys, to talk to you guys. Now, I'm sorry if I don't reply to every comment. I just, you know, I work full time, so I can only hit up the comment here and there. When I do it, it's on my weekend when I'm fishing. So I do read them. So I appreciate every single one of you guys who comment and support, like, dislike, whatever. I just, thank you very much. It's because of you guys. It's been a long journey, and here we are doing this full time. So I'm excited. Let's get back out there and fish. And yeah, I don't know. Still just, it still blows my mind. I'm doing this full time now. So yeah, thank you. And I'll see you guys. Smallest one yet. Oh, you cut me off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Got him. Oh no! And I grabbed the line. Sorry, it was like a 2-3 pounder. Bent my hook, that's why. Oh my gosh. I actually got fish. Like, that weasel. Oh no, and he goes in. Yeah, so that's a nice fish. Not that big, but still quality fish. Wow. Hold it still real quick. Nice bass. 2 pounder. Nice and fatty too. See ya. I thought I was hung up some weeds because man, he held it for so long. I had no idea he was on. Crazy. You got a big old head. Wow, he's so skinny. What the heck? Look how skinny he is. Oh my gosh, finally. Took me long enough. Nice little skinny bass. Put him in a well for the picture. Oh. Bass. Nice. Relax, relax. Jeez, jeez. These fish are so mean. I'm just gonna grab the line. It's a little guy. Oh, jeez. Some healthy fish, man. Look at that. Nice healthy fish. See ya. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and release these fish here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Fish number 1. Nice little 2-pounder right there. Beautiful fish. The water goes. Fish number 2, another 2-pounder. Right, they're so stocky too. So look at the back on that thing. It's huge. Catch and release. Okay, see ya. Look at this guy right here. Nice skinny guy, big old head. Jeez. Relax, relax. Catch and release. See ya. Woo! 2 big ones. There we go, boys. Look at them bass. Those are some chunky bass right there. Catch and release. Oh, relax. Oh, jeez, almost fell over. Nice bass. Oh, jeez. There we go. Look at this dude. Look at this tank. Oh, and it goes. Alright guys, so we're back in my garage. Yeah, it turned out to be really good. I did not expect to be sight fishing, drop shotting, shallow water, 2 to 3 feet of water. And overall it was fun. It was just nice to just set some hook on some largemouth bass, my favorite, largemouth, smallmouth. So I was excited to tell you guys about the great news, and we'll go from there. We have a lot of plans to do. We got a lot of outings we gotta do. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm nervous, but you know what? I gotta try. YOLO, you only live once. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.